Now the next topic that we will discuss is equation of straight lines passing through a given point and making a given angle with a given line. Now what does this say? We want to find the equation of a line which is passing through a given point. Matlab, the line is passing through a given point x1, y1. This point is known to us, and this line is making a certain angle. This is our line. We want the equation of this line, but we are not given the inclination of this line. We are given the angle made by this line with some other line whose equation is given. That is, we are given the equation of another line, let's say y is equal to mx plus c, and our line is making an angle alpha with this line. This alpha angle is known to us, the equation of the other line is known to us, and the point through which our line is passing is known to us, and we have to find the equation of our line. The equation of this line can be written in this form. The equation of straight line which passes through given point x1, y1 and makes an angle alpha with a given line y is equal to mx plus c can be found out by using this equation. I hope you've understood what we are saying. We want to find the equation of line which is passing through x1, y1, and this line makes a certain angle alpha with another line whose equation is given. Based on this information, we have to find the equation of our line. Basically, we want the slope of our line. We have to find the slope of our line, and once we find the slope of our line, we know the point, so we can use the one point form, y minus y1 m x minus x1. We want to find this m using this information. Let's start. Suppose this is your coordinate axis, and let's say this is the line which is given. Suppose this is the line which is given to you. This is y is equal to mx plus c. Now since the equation is given, we can find the slope of this line, and by finding the slope we can find the angle made by this line with the positive direction of x-axis. Let that angle be theta. Now our line is passing through x1, y1. Our line is passing through, let's say, x1, y1. This is the point x1, y1. Our line is passing through this point. Therefore our line is passing through this point and is making an angle of alpha with this line. So one of the case could be like this, and the other case could be, let's say this is another case. Our line is still passing through x1, y1. Now it is making, let's clear this out. One of the case could be this is alpha, and the other case could be this is alpha, or rather this is alpha. This angle is alpha. Okay. So we are interested in finding the slope of our line. Now if this is the case, let the slope be theta 1, and if this is the case, the slope is, let's say, theta 2. This is theta 2. So there are two possibilities for our line. There could be two equations of a line which pass through x1, y1 and make an angle of alpha with the given line. Now let's say if this is line 1 and let's say this is line 2. If we consider line 1, if this is alpha, this angle is also alpha. Therefore what do we get? For line 1, theta plus alpha is equal to theta 1. Therefore, taking tan both sides, tan theta 1 will be what? Tan theta plus alpha. And why are we doing this? Because we want tan theta 1 only. Tan theta 1 will give us the slope of our line m1, and this can be expanded, tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. Now tan theta is what? Tan theta is the slope of the line whose equation is given to us. This was the angle that we had considered for our line which was given. Therefore this is what? M plus tan alpha upon 1 minus m tan alpha. Therefore first equation of our line can be y minus y1. We have already found the slope now. M plus tan alpha upon 1 minus m tan alpha into x minus x1. This could be one of the equation of our line. The second case could be let's say for line L2, for line N2, if this is alpha, this angle would be 180 minus alpha. Now we can write 180 minus alpha plus theta will be theta 2, that is this angle plus this angle should be equal to this angle. Now theta 2 is your second possibility of slope. If we take tan both sides, tan theta 2, which means this is the other case that is possible, which is tan 180 minus alpha minus theta, or we can write 180 plus theta minus alpha, and tan 180 plus theta is tan theta itself, therefore tan theta minus alpha. Tan A minus B we can apply, tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. But tan theta was m, the slope of the given line, so m minus tan alpha upon 1 plus m tan alpha. Now we have again got our slope, therefore the equation of the line can be y minus y1. What is m? M minus tan alpha upon 1 plus m tan alpha, x minus x. So therefore the second equation which is possible is this. Now if we combine these two, we can write this in a single equation, m tan alpha 1 m tan alpha, this is same in both of them, x minus xy. If there is plus here, this is minus here, therefore if it is plus, we'll have minus, and if we have minus, we'll have plus. So therefore if we have minus, we'll have plus. This is the combined form of the equation of a line which is passing through x1, y1 and making an angle alpha with a given line whose equation is given to us.